Riding an MV Agusta represents an out-of-the-ordinary experience. You know that if you choose an MV, it's for that special thrill. That kind of thrill offered by the launch control system, which will produce lightning-fast launches just like a pro rider. This feature is available on the sportiest MV Agusta models. Launch control is very simply activated by pressing the button on the right handlebar control. Once you do that, you engage the whole procedure, and you must follow the instructions on the display. The front lift control and the traction control work together to let the bike use the full power of the engine for an incredibly fast takeoff and in a totally safe way. The race mode is especially dedicated to those passionate bikers looking for a shivering riding experience. Enter the bike's main menu, then enter the race page through the left handlebar control and press again to enable race mode. Compared to the standard dashboard layout, the race mode dashboard is really designed for track. The layout is organized around the RPM meter right in the center and shows the gear, the speed, and the lap timer. There's some extra space here on the side you can use to display more information, which is fully customizable. Here's how. Enter the main menu, select the race page, and scroll to Setting. Press again to customize the race mode. Here you can change all the information displayed. First of all, choose which speed information you prefer to see. Then you can choose between best lap time, average lap time, or total time of your racing session. Other features you can customize are lane angles, longitudinal accelerations, water or air temperature, and fuel level. On some models, depending on the technical package, you might see fewer information. Specifically for the race mode, we made it possible to change the traction control setting by simply scrolling left or right with a left handlebar control. In the same way, you can engage or disengage front lift control. Press OK, then scroll left or right. Now you're ready for a great day at the track. Start the lap recording using the high beam control and press it again at each new lap. The previous lap time will stay on screen for 10 seconds. To stop the timer, simply press the OK button. You can review your lap times from the race page in the main menu. And you can record up to 20 track sessions with 30 laps each. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ride.